Today we are going to cover the MTH202 Discrete Mathematics Midterm Quiz, featuring 40 highly important and repeated conceptual questions. Let's get started with our first question. Question number 1. Which of the following is logically equivalent to the negation of a conditional statement? Negation of open parenthesis P implies Q close parenthesis. The correct answer is P and negation of Q. Question number 2. An implication statement P implies Q is considered vacuously true when blank. The correct answer is P is false. Question number 3. The statement formula, open parenthesis P and open parenthesis P implies Q close parenthesis implies Q, represents which fundamental rule of inference? The correct answer is modus ponens. Question number 4. What is the logical negation of the quantified statement? Every discrete mathematics student loves logic. The correct answer is some discrete mathematics students do not love logic. Question number 5. The argument form. If P then QQ therefore P is an explicit example of which logical fallacy? The correct answer is affirming the consequent. Question number 6. If a set A contains exactly n elements, what is the total number of distinct binary relations that can be defined on set A? The correct answer is 2 raised to the power of n squared. Question number 7. For a set A with n elements, the total number of unique reflexive relations that can be formed is given by the formula blank. The correct answer is 2 raised to the power of open parenthesis n squared minus n close parenthesis. Question number 8. A relation R on a set A is called antisymmetric if for all elements n B in set A, whenever the ordered pair A comma B belongs to R and the ordered pair B comma belongs to R. It implies that blank. The correct answer is A equals B. Question number 9. If relation R is both an equivalence relation and a partial order relation on a non-empty set A, then R must be the blank relation. The correct answer is identity relation. Question number 10. The distinct equivalence classes formed by an equivalence relation on a non-empty set form a blank of set A. The correct answer is partition. Question number 11. What is the total number of unique functions that can be defined from a set A containing 3 elements to a set B containing 4 elements? The correct answer is 64. Question number 12. What is the total number of one-to-one or injective functions from a set A with 3 elements to a set B with 4 elements? The correct answer is 24. Question number 13. A function f from set A to set B can have a well-defined inverse function, f inverse, if and only if f is blank. The correct answer is bijective, meaning one-to-one and onto. Question number 14. Evaluate the value of the floor and ceiling function combination. The floor of negative 2.3 plus the ceiling of 4.7. The correct answer is 2. Question number 15. According to the pigeonhole principle, if 13 people are gathered in a room, at least how many people must share the exact same birth month? The correct answer is 2. Question number 16. How many unique permutations can be made from the letters of the word apple? The correct answer is 60. Question number 17. In how many different ways can a committee of 3 members be selected from a group of 7 candidates? The correct answer is 35. Question number 18. What is the sum of the coefficients in the expansion of the binomial expression open parenthesis x plus y close parenthesis to the power of n when n equals 5? The correct answer is 32. Question number 19. In mathematical induction, the assumption that the statement P of n is true for some arbitrary integer n equals k is formally known as the blank. The correct answer is inductive hypothesis. Question number 20. If set A and set B are finite sets such that the cardinality of A is 10, the cardinality of B is 15, and the cardinality of intersection B is 4, find the cardinality of their union. A union B. The correct answer is 21. Question number 21. The symmetric difference of 2 sets A and B contains elements that belong to blank. The correct answer is either A or B, but not both. Question number 22. Which of the following relations defined on the set of integers is not reflexive? The correct answer is A is less than B. Question number 23. Let f of x equal 2x plus 1 and g of x equal x squared. What is the composite function expression for g composition f of x? The correct answer is 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. Question number 24. How many elements are there in the power set of a power set of an empty set? The correct answer is 2. Question number 25. What is the total number of bit strings of length 8 that begin with a 1 or end with the bits 0, 0? The correct answer is 160. Question number 26. The sequence defined by the general term a sub n equals 3n plus 2 is an explicit example of which type of sequence? The correct answer is arithmetic sequence. Question number 27. What is the logical negation of the biconditional statement, P if and only if Q? The correct answer is P biconditional negation of Q. Question number 28. If a relation R is represented by a 0-1 matrix, how can we structurally verify that R is a symmetric relation? The correct answer is the matrix is equal to its transpose. Question number 29. What is the solution to the linear recurrence relation, a sub n equals 2 times a sub n minus 1, given the initial condition a 0 equals 3? The correct answer is a sub n equals 3 times 2 raised to the power of n. Question number 30. The Hasse diagram is a geometric representation specifically used for displaying the structure of which mathematical entity? The correct answer is partially ordered set, or PA set. Question number 31. What is the minimum number of students required in a discrete structures class to guarantee that at least 2 students receive the exact same score on a final exam graded from 0 to 100? The correct answer is 102. Question number 32. How many unique subsets of any size can be created from a universal set containing 6 distinct elements? The correct answer is 64. Question number 33. Which law of logic states that P or open parenthesis Q and R close parenthesis is logically equivalent to open parenthesis P or Q close parenthesis and open parenthesis P or R close parenthesis? The correct answer is distributive law. Question number 34. If O is a subset of B and B is a subset of C, then according to set theory principles, it must always be true that blank. The correct answer is A is a subset of C. Question number 35. In how many different ways can 5 people be seated around a circular dining table? The correct answer is 24. Question number 36. The Cartesian product operation B cross A for sets A containing elements 1 and 2 and B containing elements A and B is explicitly equal to which set? The correct answer is the set containing ordered pairs A, 1, A, 2, B, 1, and B, 2. Question number 37. A compound proposition that contains both true and false values in the final outcome column of its truth table is classified as a blank. The correct answer is contingency. Question number 38. What is the calculated value of the permutation expression P of 5, 2? The correct answer is 20. Question number 39. What is the calculated value of the combination expression C of 6, 6? The correct answer is 1. Question number 40. If an implication statement, P implies Q, is known to be true, and its relation R defined on set A is transitive, then its complement relation R' is blank transitive. The correct answer is not necessarily.